Hello friends, welcome to GIS. Today we are going to learn how to transfer Excel file to GIS. At first, open ArcMap. Then add your Excel file. You probably know by now how to add your data. Now select your location of output. Remember the file name. Now this export output to file, we can open this in Google Earth to know the location of these points. Let's check that. Open your file. That's why I told you to remember the name. See, you can see your points location. Let's go back to ArcMap. Now we have to join these points to a line, so go to search. In search button, type point to line. Select point to line, data management, and input the latest one. Select your output location. And while giving name, don't use space. I've already told that in previous videos. We can't use space in ArcMap. Now the points are joined. Again in search, type feature to line. Select feature to line data management. In input, select the latest one, which is point to line. I'm giving f underscore line. Now again type feature to polygon. Select feature to line. And yes, while giving name, don't make it too long. And now this is our polygon. We have converted points to polygon. Now we have to calculate area, so right click and open attribute table. Select add field. Now right click on the area section and calculate geometry. You can select unit. Thank you.